If you're looking for a way to track and optimize your home energy consumption, Smappee Energy Management might have caught your attention. This system promises real-time insights into your electricity, solar power, gas, and water usage, helping you cut down on waste and save money. But does it actually deliver on these claims? In this video, I'll take you through my honest experience using Smappee and whether it's worth considering for your smart home setup. Smappee offers a sleek-looking device that connects to your electrical panel. The setup process is fairly straightforward if you're comfortable working with your breaker box, but if not, you might need professional installation. Once installed, it starts collecting real-time data on your energy consumption, which you can monitor through the mobile app. The app is user-friendly, offering detailed analytics, historical data, and even AI-powered insights that help identify which appliances are consuming the most energy. One of the standout features is the ability to monitor individual appliances without needing multiple sensors. Smappee's AI-based system can recognize the electrical signatures of different devices over time, which is a huge advantage over traditional energy monitors. However, this feature isn't perfect, and it sometimes misidentifies devices or takes a while to learn them accurately. If you're looking for pinpoint accuracy right away, you might be disappointed. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Smappee also integrates with various smart home platforms, including Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and even certain home automation hubs like Home Assistant. This means you can set up automation routines based on your energy usage, such as turning off devices when they consume too much power or scheduling appliances to run during off-peak hours. If you already have a smart home ecosystem, this could be a major selling point. While the app provides valuable insights, some users have reported occasional connectivity issues. The Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection can be a bit unstable at times, which may lead to delays in data updates. If you rely heavily on real-time tracking, this could be frustrating. Another downside is the price. Smappee is not the cheapest energy monitoring system out there, and while it does offer a comprehensive suite of features, you have to consider whether the cost justifies the savings it can provide. If you have a high energy bill and want a long-term solution to reduce it, Smappee might be a worthy investment. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, there are other monitors on the market that might better suit your needs. Overall, Smappee Energy Management is a powerful tool for homeowners who want to take control of their energy consumption. It provides deep insights, automation capabilities, and the potential to lower energy bills. However, it's not without its flaws, including the learning curve, occasional connectivity issues, and a relatively high price point. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more smart home tech reviews. Let me know in the comments if you've used Smappee or if you have any questions.